Introducing our brand new feature, Video Remix. See this winning ad? Drop in your product, your model, and watch VidMuse remix it. Same hit, your brand. Entertainment and refreshments. Stylish footwear and bags. Sports and outdoor activities. Home essentials. Any category, any ad style. All remixable. And it's all driven by VidMuse. How does it work? It's simple. Log into our website, click the all-new product ads category at the top, and select Video Remix. Right here, upload your reference video and product images. Type in your prompts and recreate your exclusive short with just one click. From there, VidMuse takes over, and you choose how to create. Shot breakdown and recreate keeps the original creative structure, while letting you swap elements, scenes, and shot order. Reference to video mode swaps any element in the original, for whatever you want, a true to original remix. Storyboard mode gives you full creative control. We lay out every visual element first, for you to approve before we create. VidMuse is now fully empowering SMB commerce. Premium commercial creative, marketing-grade TVC ad, trending social videos. All within reach. Log in to VidMuse. Remix your way to growth.